Liking tweets is a great way to bookmark your favorite content, but scrolling through endless likes can be a pain when you want to revisit something specific. Luckily, there are ways to make this process easier. Let's dive into some quick, practical methods to help you find any tweet you've liked without the hassle. First, start with a simple manual search. Go to your profile, open the Likes tab, and scroll through your liked tweets until you find the one you're looking for. It's straightforward, but if you like a lot of content, it can still take some time. Twitter's advanced search tool is incredibly useful for a more targeted approach. Head to Twitter's advanced search page, enter keywords or hashtags you remember, and set a date range if needed. This will narrow down the results, making it easier to locate specific tweets among your likes. Finally, consider using third-party tools for even more control. There are tools that let you filter liked tweets based on specific criteria. To learn more on the topic, you can read our blog article. Link will be in the description. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you want us to tackle next.